Tesco Mobile's parental controls, specifically content filters, are designed to ensure digital safety. Turning them off requires accessing the Tesco Mobile app available on iOS and Android or the website at tescomobile.com. First, log in with your Tesco account. Then navigate to My Account, then Plans, and select Family Controls or Parental Settings. Next, select the SIM or device you want to modify. Toggle off the content filter switch. Finally, confirm the change with your PIN or biometric verification for security. Note that changes typically take 5 to 10 minutes to apply to the device. Keep in mind this only applies to mobile data. Wi-Fi content requires separate controls. Disabling content filters should be a deliberate decision, balancing safety with a user's autonomy. While filters are effective at blocking inappropriate content, they aren't foolproof. VPNs or private browsing can bypass them. Experts recommend combining filters with open conversations and digital literacy education. For older children, consider gradually loosening restrictions and emphasizing responsible online behavior. Alternatives include device-level controls like Apple's Screen Time or Google Family Link for cross-device management. Remember, over-reliance on filters can hinder the development of critical thinking skills needed to navigate the online world safely. Also be aware that you can re-enable these settings easily in the app if needed.